G'day my fellow followers, it's the Raw Review Master again. Today I have bought myself a charger for an EV. It's called the Zappi Multiphase. Now I've got a bit of a setup here. As you can see, I have got solar that was originally installed in my house, sun grow. So this is the inverter. It's about 10 kilowatts inverter. Then I also have a solar planet from Voltex. So Voltex inverter for the batteries. I've got one of these bad boys, a second one, and a third one. Okay, Voltex Energy solar planet batteries. Yes. Now these bad boys can store up to about 53 kilowatts a day. So I now need to get a charger for my new J5 JQ, and so that I can utilize these bad boys for charging the vehicle, you know, because if you charge it through the grandma plug that they send you, they never tell you that it takes up to 50 hours, because I mean the battery on that JQ is about 50 something kilowatts, and the grandma charger only charge it at about 1 kilowatt an hour, so it's going to take me days to get somewhere. So that's why I have now ordered these bad boys. I've ordered myself, let me just, a 7-meter cable, and this is for the untethered Zappi. I'll show you what it looks like now. The reason for that is now I can use this cable at any charger, commercial chargers, that's the AC plugs and not the DC ones, so that I could get a bit more kilowatts out of those chargers as well, rather than getting the tethered one, the tethered Zappi that comes with a wire and then you can't take it anywhere. So this is a 2-in-1. I can use it with my charger, and I can also use it with those AC chargers at the gas stations. So let me quickly see what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna unbox this bad boy. Oh, it comes in a beautiful bag. Now that's what I like, because even though you think this is overkill, you have to keep this thing neat and tidy inside your vehicle. Okay, so let me just open this bad boy up. Okay, let us quickly see what is inside the package. Now these things are massively heavy, so it's going to add some weight to your vehicle as well. But that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm not going to open up the whole thing because I don't have an installer yet that can install the thing for me. But it's got the type 2 plugs on both ends. Okay, now due to the fact that I have those solar batteries and the panels with this, now look, again, I'm just a beginner when it comes to this stuff. As far as I understand, there are CT clamps. Now the CT clamps needs to connect to your inverter. Now there's only 3 plugs for that. If you have a 3-phase like me, because my power is a 3-phase. Yes, indeed it is a 3-phase power. So you only have 3 plugs in your 3-phase power switchboard. Okay, 3 clamps goes in there. So my Zappi 3 clamps are finito, used. Now I also have a 3-phase inverter for my solar, so I need another 3 clamps that needs to go in there. So I had to purchase 3 extra ones, but I also have the batteries, and there needs to be one going in there as well. So I had to purchase, in total I had to get 7. So purchase another 4, get 3 with the actual Zappi charger. That's not the end of it. You then, let me swap this out. So, to explain it to you in layman's terms, there is an extra CT clamp, 2, 3, 4, plus the 3 inside the Zappi. I also had to purchase 2 halving units, because each of these only have 3 plugs as well, and I have 7 clamps of 6 needs to be going into these halving units. Now the FAT only knows exactly what this does, but this is apparently the clever brains of everything. To need to monitor my solar, and also need to monitor my battery, and also need to monitor the EV charger. So to do all of that, so that I can do everything on one app, on the My Energy stuff, I need 2 of these RV units. So there's the one. The other one is inside that box. Okay. It's about 150, no, I'm lying, 179 Aussie dollars for each of these. So that's already an expensive little exercise. And then if I open up one of these clamps just so that you can see what they look like. They come with 5-meter wires. And the clamp looks like this. Now each of these clamps connect to one of your grid. So first of all, 3 needs to go to the grid. Not 4, 3 goes to the grid. 3 goes to the solar and 1 goes to the battery. I'm hoping it's just 1, but that's what they told me. So that's what I have there. And then last but not least, I've got this bad boy, which I need to open up. Now this thingy is expensive. It's about 1,400 Aussie if you buy it from these NRG guys. Now look, they were freaking awesome, sending this to me on the same day, even when I ordered it. So that is pretty good service. Now let's just see how can we open up this box with one hand. Give me 1 second. Okay, so they give you a little template, which is awesome, on where to drill your holes in the wall. It's very small. I mean, look at my hand compared to this. It's very small, the little charger, which I like. Now that's all the goodies that are in there. Some screws. Obviously your Zappi untethered charger, which I've got. It's the Multiphase bad boy. And then you've got your 3 CT clamps that comes with it. And obviously all your instructions manuals. Now I'm not going to do anything else with this today. Just wanted to show you what I had to buy. But all of this stuff will be installed hopefully soon. So that I don't have to go and sit for 2 hours at the charging station. So yes, that's just a quick one from me. Look, it's my first vehicle. My first charger. I'm pretty new to all the solar stuff. I don't know how it works yet, but I'm looking forward to see. And then I'll make a new video to show you how it works. Capish?